Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have a monitor stand from VIVO. This is the 18-inch version. They also happen to sell a 40-inch version. And you can purchase this exact model off of Amazon.ca for about 50 Canadian dollars. And so for today, I will assemble and attach this monitor stand to one of my monitors, and we'll find out if it can at least support a 27-inch monitor. Alright everyone, so now I'm going to unbox the product, but as you can see, the box is already open. This is actually how it's shipped in to my house. So all these shipping labels were at the front over here and at the sides. So I didn't really notice that this was actually the product's box, but around this box there really isn't much to see. Over there you can see the company's name. Yeah, I guess I'll show you around the sides a little bit. Yeah, there's one of the shipping stickers right there. It didn't come off too easy. The other ones did pretty well. As you can see, you can't really see them in the front anymore. And there's the other side. At the bottom of this box, there really isn't much else to see as well. So I'll just get this I'll get this opened up. So inside we have a user manual, and I'll be using this to install the stand or put it all together. So I'll keep that for later. And inside we have many more boxes. So you can actually make out what kind of parts these will be, considering the size of the boxes. Seems to be screws inside there. This one doesn't really rattle, so probably some kind of clamp inside there. And okay, so this one's not really a box. They just took some cardboard and wrapped it around. And there's the stand. So now that we have everything outside the box, I'm gonna put all this together and I'll see you guys back. Alright everyone, so I finally finished assembling the monitor stand. As you can see to my left, it also has these little placeholders for these tools that they give you to assemble this together. And onto my right, you can see the monitor in which I will attach this monitor stand to. So this monitor stand at the bottom here is going to get replaced. And so for this monitor to be attached to this stand, I'm going to have to install this mounting bracket, which I believe is what it's called, onto the back of the monitor. Many monitors already come with these 4 screw holes in the back. This one sadly does not come like that due to how thin it is at the top over here. And so this will be installed into the back, and then I will have to take this out and screw in the 4 screws over here and then slide it in, because you do not want to be screwing this in while holding this monitor onto the mounting bracket. It would be quite a painful task. So I'll see you guys back once I finish doing that. Alright everyone, so I finished installing the monitor onto the stand and it actually works great. As you can see, it's able to swivel properly. They do say in the ad that it's able to swivel 360 degrees, but that's only possible if you actually move the this part of the stand itself. So you have to unscrew this and hold the monitor and slowly move it all the way around. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, it can only do about, I'd say, 120 degrees. It can also do portrait mode. So simply you would just rotate your monitor down like that. And there we go, you have landscape. And you can even tilt the monitor forward and backward, which you can see right here. There we go, there's down. To tilt it back up, it's a little bit of a struggle, but moving on to the screws that were used for this stand. I had to use the MA screws, I had to use the ME and the MF. So the MEs were the washers, the MFs were like these black thick washers that were meant to like protect the metal plates from touching each other or getting scratched on each other, and the MA screws were these smaller versions of the MBs, I believe. There's also different size screws for whichever is compatible with your monitor, so that's great. Alright everyone, that's the video for today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you did enjoy. And if you have any questions about the product, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer those questions. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.